Gears, those simple yet profoundly influential mechanisms, have been shaping human civilization for thousands of years. They power everything from the tiniest wristwatches to massive industrial machinery, quietly enabling progress in ways we often overlook. But have you ever wondered where gears came from? Who first had the idea to use interlocking cogs to transfer motion? The story of gears is one that spans millennia, from ancient civilizations to the sophisticated technology of today. So buckle up and let's dive in, right here, on History of Simple Things. The concept of gears dates back much further than most people realize. Some of the earliest known examples come from ancient Greece and China, with evidence suggesting that the principles of gearing were understood as early as the 3rd century BCE. One of the most famous early applications of gears was found in the Antikythera mechanism, a highly complex device discovered in a shipwreck off the coast of Greece. Dating back to around 100 BCE, this intricate assembly of bronze gears was used to predict astronomical positions and eclipses with remarkable precision. This discovery suggests that even in ancient times, people had a deep understanding of how gears could be used to calculate and control movement. Meanwhile, in China, gears were used in water clocks and astronomical instruments as early as the Han Dynasty. Engineers and inventors saw the potential of interlocking teeth to regulate the passage of time and improve efficiency in mechanical devices. The use of wooden gears in early machinery, such as grain mills and irrigation systems, highlights just how essential they were in advancing agriculture and daily life. During the Middle Ages, gears became increasingly important in mechanical clocks, which revolutionized timekeeping. Before this period, people relied on sundials and water clocks, which were far less precise. The introduction of mechanical clocks in European monasteries during the 13th century marked a turning point. These early clocks used gear-driven escapements, a mechanism that regulated time by controlling the movement of a gear train. By the Renaissance, gears had become central to the works of great inventors and thinkers. Leonardo da Vinci, the quintessential Renaissance polymath, was fascinated by mechanics and left behind countless sketches of gear-driven devices. His designs, many of which were centuries ahead of their time, included gear-based machines for lifting heavy objects, automata, and even concepts that resemble modern bicycles and helicopters. His work demonstrated a deep understanding of how gears could be used to transfer and amplify motion, a principle that remains fundamental to engineering today. The Industrial Revolution, beginning in the 18th century, saw an explosion in the use of gears. With the advent of steam power and mechanized production, gears became crucial components in factories, mills, and transportation. Textile mills, for example, relied on elaborate gear systems to power spinning looms and weaving machines, enabling mass production like never before. James Watt's improvements to the steam engine in the late 1700s also relied on precisely machined gears to transfer rotational energy efficiently, dramatically increasing industrial productivity. As industries grew, so did the demand for precision engineering. The development of metal-cutting lathes allowed for more accurate and durable gears, replacing the less reliable wooden versions of the past. This advancement was particularly significant for transportation, as gears became essential in locomotives, automobiles, and bicycles. The introduction of differential gears in vehicles allowed wheels to rotate at different speeds, making turns smoother and driving more efficient. The 20th century brought about incredible advancements in gear technology. The automobile industry, led by pioneers like Henry Ford, depended on sophisticated gear systems to create more reliable and efficient vehicles. Gearboxes with multiple speed transmissions allowed cars to travel at varying speeds while maintaining engine efficiency. At the same time, aviation engineers developed gear-driven propellers and turbines, enabling planes to achieve greater power and speed. In the realm of timekeeping, Swiss watchmakers perfected the art of crafting miniature, precision gears for mechanical watches, elevating them to works of art and engineering marvels. Meanwhile, in computing, gears played a key role in early mechanical computers, such as those envisioned by Charles Babbage in the 19th century and later realized in electromechanical machines during World War II. These devices paved the way for modern digital computers, proving that even in the age of electronics, mechanical gears still had their place in advancing technology. Today, gears continue to be at the heart of modern engineering. From robotics and artificial intelligence to renewable energy and space exploration, gears are as relevant as ever. Precision gearing in robotic arms allows for delicate and accurate movements, making them essential in manufacturing and even medical procedures. In the realm of green technology, gears play a vital role in wind turbines, where they convert slow-moving wind energy into the high-speed rotation needed to generate electricity efficiently. Advancements in materials and manufacturing techniques, such as 3D printing, have also revolutionized gear production. Engineers can now design and create custom gears with unparalleled precision, reducing weight while maintaining strength. This has led to improvements in everything from prosthetic limbs to Mars rovers, showcasing just how versatile and indispensable gears remain. From ancient astronomical instruments to cutting-edge robotics, gears have played a critical role in shaping human history. They have driven innovation, enabled new discoveries, and powered industries that define our way of life. The next time you glance at a clock, drive a car, or use a machine, take a moment to appreciate the gears quietly working behind the scenes. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.